Hey traders, John Hal here, officialjohnhal.com. Remember, I'm going to look at JNJ today, Johnson & Johnson. So let's get straight into it. Alright traders, anything I do say in this video is general advice only. Do not place a trade based on what I'm telling you today. Simples. Alright, disclaimers out of the way, let's get straight into it now. Looking on the weekly chart, let's go over to the weekly chart. Let's have a look at what this is doing right now, JNJ. Now looking at this here on the weekly chart, guys, on JNJ, we can see we had a bit of a support down the bottom here. We had a bit of a touch through here as well too, and we had a whole bunch of touches through here, and you can see, especially on recent times, this trend line had a bounce through here. Whole rejection through there, and you can see now we're just going sideways, right? Very ugly sideways movement on the JNJ. Now looking on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, shall I say, you can actually see we're actually possibly forming a bit of a. We can see we had a bit of resistance up the top here, and now we can see we also have a bit of a trend line coming through here as well too. Through there, so right now we're actually squeezing up into this triangle pattern. If it does start to break this level through here, then we have probably going to head back down, probably another 2 or 3% drop back down towards $97, towards where this overall support level is, and then also there's a lot of support just below that as well too, around about this level right here. So it if it has a bit of a drop, if it breaks below here, guys, then we have a bit of a drop down towards 97, then also back down to 95 as well too. It's in a bit of a compression pattern, but very ugly movement in that side of things. And if you actually have a look at the peaks and troughs, guys, who's in control? We have a peak here, we have a trough, so we have a lower trough, we have a lower peak, we have a higher trough, or almost lower trough, very ugly one. Have a higher peak, higher trough, lower peak, and now we have a higher trough. So really no one's in control of this stock right now on Johnson & Johnson until we start to get a bit more of a breakout. So that's what I do see on JNJ, guys. If you'd like to learn more information about how I trade the markets, then click on the image up the top here. It's going to give you a free trading course to help you get ahead in the markets. This is John Hal here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.